I leave for New York tomorrow, so I've been packing a lot of stuff in advance of my trip. I have luggage that's mostly done being packed because it's all the clothes I'm gonna wear. I need to pack all the toiletries, my retainer, and everything like that tomorrow, but because I don't leave until 10:30 p.m., I don't have any real need to pack all that stuff that I need for the rest of today and tomorrow. I'm packing as well for my other trip to Japan, which I feel like I didn't talk about in the video, but I also just didn't want to talk about it too far in advance. I'm going to Japan next week, and I need to pack for it as well before I leave for New York tomorrow because I come back here and then go to Japan right away. It's like a back-to-back trip and my time zones are going to be all sorts of crazy. I'm packing the backpack for New York now. I bought a new bag a couple of weeks ago because I wanted to be able to store my shoes and a bunch of stuff in this. So this is my new version of a bag. The shoes fit in the bottom and they're in the middle compartment here. So they're sticking out there. Got a computer section. I think I'll put some tech here. Lots of pockets, so it's really, really great. I think this is actually just the start of me heading to New York because that's tomorrow. So welcome to the New York video. We're gonna do lots of traveling in the next 3 weeks and it's gonna be really fun and I'm gonna miss Tommy so much. I'm only in New York for like 2.5 days, but I am gonna get to see Allison when I'm there, which is very exciting because when did I see her last? It was kind of recent, in October, which recent. I saw her in October when I went back to Maryland, but I'll get to see her because she lives in New York. So I'll get a chance to see a new place in New York that I haven't been to yet. The days I arrive are Wednesday morning and then I leave Friday afternoon. So it's like a rapid fire trip just to be a part of my brother's graduation. So I packed 3 days worth of clothes here. Some of this is stuff for Japan as well. So we're gonna have to see where that takes us, but it's really hard to pack for this. And then on the back end of it, know that I'm headed to a different trip because I tried to save stuff that I wanted only to pack for Japan, but I realized I can't do that because I don't have a lot of clothes and the things I like to wear, I want to wear in both places. The weather in New York is also very cool right now. It's like in the high 50s, which for May feels cold to me, but that's beside the point. Yeah, I had to pack a lot of long sleeve stuff, but carry on only, and then the backpack will be all the backup things. It's exciting, but it's also like lots of planning. I think I'm gonna have to grab one of the big suitcases from downstairs either this evening or tomorrow morning to pack from home because I've set aside everything else from Japan mostly, and I'll pack them into the larger suitcase and just kind of leave it to the side here once I go tomorrow. Okay, hello, welcome to the LED bathroom. Got a dress drying right now because I'm packing that for Japan. Toiletries are almost packed as well. I've already packed my retainers. Checked in for my flight last night. Everything was good there. It's a United flight. I did put myself in an extra legroom seat. There's no premium economy on these seats, so it's just the front of economy plus or whatever, which I think is just what a standard seat used to be on a plane, but everything now is a chance to make money, so it's an extra $100 to book a decent seat. I travel with a tall person usually, so I've become accustomed to having a little bit more legroom. Apparently chargers aren't common in every single seat either, and I don't know if this has any screens. So I have pre-downloaded like 8 or 9 different episodes of 5 different shows, and that'll be what carries me through. I have the United app too, which you can watch stuff on your phone with, so I'll use that if I need, but hopefully, fingers crossed, I sleep because it's a red eye, 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. I'll talk more about it when I get to the airport, but yeah, that's what my day is shaping up like right now. Just before I get to the airport, I ordered some food so I can have some food in my stomach during the day, and then I'll eat dinner at the airport. So I know it doesn't look like a lot, but I plan on shopping a ton while I'm there, hopefully for clothes. They got great fashion, they got a lot of really great stores, so that and souvenirs makes my suitcase pretty available to buy things. The weather is a bit question mark while I'm there, so I'm kind of just trying to nail down what 60 degrees is gonna feel like in New York, and then 70 degrees plus rain. I will also need to pack four pairs of shoes, so that also adds to this a lot. I'm gonna bring my rain boots, there's gonna be 2 pairs of sneakers, and a pair of flip-flops. How cool was that double rainbow? That announcement is quite loud, but I am through customs and through security, so that didn't take very long because I am going through American customs as an American, so they don't usually ask too many things, if anything at all. They're just like, welcome back, here you go. So that's kind of what happened. I'm gonna go look for my gate, grab some food, grab some snack, and fill my water bottle, and yeah, just watch something maybe.
Time is 4 hours and 56 minutes. We'll try to keep the announcements to a minimum tonight in case anybody's trying to sleep. With that being said, please be cognizant of that seatbelt sign. When it indicates with your seatbelt securely fastened, that's going to be for your safety and the safety of those around you.
Worth the $100 I paid to see that. That lie flat seat really saved me because I was not falling asleep the first little bit, just sitting there. I did sleep maybe 3.5 hours. I will be here for the next 2 or 3 hours getting some work done, and then I will leave when the timing isn't absolutely awful. An Uber for 90 minutes would be insane. It's also gonna cost over $100 anyway, so I'd rather just like not. Also, I've never seen airport lighting this good. I look so good for somebody who just flew on an overnight flight leaving at 10:30 and arriving at 7 a.m/4 a.m. I've never seen something like this. Like, look at this. Ridiculous. Also amazing because I'm really hungry. We're gonna say a big hello and oh my god to the most expensive bagel I've ever purchased ever. This everything bagel with cream cheese, lox, capers, and onions cost $25 US. So in Canadian dollars, we're in the mid-30s. That is crazy. Also, I didn't realize this wasn't gonna be cut, so this isn't as aesthetic as it could be, but it's fine. They don't toast the bagels though. So the bagel is squishy. This was the best place to work for the last like 5 hours. 5 hours. I've been here 5 hours. Because the chairs are cozy, there's charging stations, it's just all really perfect for needing to work for the last. I feel like maybe it's time to change out of my pajamas, but I also am really cozy and it's raining out and I really don't, it's actually really cold. I don't feel like being back in my capri pants, so I think I might keep the